just as good as those rims?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, all the steel wheels are made the same. Well, folks,
Okay.
we're back at it. We had to follow these folks into Cal Ranch to get them 2 new wheels and tires because none of the previous wheels and tires matched. You know what direction up is over here, guy? You sure?
Yeah.
You look confused. Maybe that's just your face.
Hi.
Hi.
I am missing
Probably right there.
something. I don't know. No.
All right, watch out. Right here. 50 psi cold. I'll check it. I don't want to work you too hard. Yep, we're good. Put that one on.
Yeah. Well, there's, yeah. No, I think high school is a really good way. Especially now that we have the resources, and they're using not half the time, but a lot of times they use.
Did you buy lug nuts in there?
Huh? Oh, I have lug nuts. That's right. I gotta get one. Let's see if we can set you here for a minute.
I told Gabe this is Gabe, if we need to, I said we really need to figure out how to change the tires on these,
Yeah, it helps if you have the right thing, and even just an impact gun like that.
Working hard.
Most of it.
Well, and we really went some, out of the way places this year, and I don't usually do that, so.
It only goes on one.
Oh.
Got it. Yep, and then the bar.
She doesn't want the 14s.
No, here, that's not starting. There you go. And, all right, never mind. Forgot what I was gonna say. Tire pressure's good. Grab the torque wrench and torque them out.
I've thought about, like the Mesa area. So. eventually.
Eventually, yeah. We like Flagstaff. It's kind of expensive, but it's cooler.
Flagstaff's nice,
Yeah.
but I can't take the cold.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have
I
jackets.
know they have parkas for that, but I don't like driving on it, and I like being mobile
Yeah.
every day of the year.
There you
So
go.
me sitting there for 2.5 hours was torture.
What I
can
think is
imagine.
funny is these college kids or even some locals, they get these really nice lowered cars that belong in Phoenix that are 2-wheel drive,
Yeah.
and then they try to drive around in 2 feet of snow,
You gotta drop the trailer.
and they're genuinely
Yes, I do.
confused at why they're stuck.
Yeah. I don't know what happened.
I know what happened.
Yeah. I do.
Yeah, it's like I just, oh, man, I'd take the desert, the heat of the desert.
Well, and when it's too hot down there in the summer, you can come visit us in the weather.
Exactly. Yeah, we got to visit the Lowell Observatory, and we took pictures in front of
Nice.
Route 66.
All right, folks, we're going to wrap this video up. You've seen us torque a wheel before. Have a good one.